अच्छा ठीक. We proceed exercise 1.4 of sets and let us see question number 9. Question number 9. We have given sets A equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And the value of set B. The value of set B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And set C
2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8,
10, 12, 14, 16.
10, 12, 14, 16. And set D equals to
5, 10, 15, 20.
5, 10, 15 and 20. So these are the sets given. D equals to 5, 10, 15, 20. C equals to till up to 16, 14, 16, 12, 14, 16. P equals to up to 20, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and A equals to up to 21. We have to calculate the first part. Find A minus B. So we write the set A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and minus set B which is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So we have to write those elements of A which is not in B. Those elements of set A which is not in B. So it would be 3. 3 is not in set B. Then 6. Then 9. 12 is available. Then 15. Then 18. And then 21. Those elements of first set which is not in the another set. And the second part is A minus C. So write down the value of set A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and minus set C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So those elements of set A which is not in C. So first is 3, then 6 is available, 9, 12 is available, 15, then 18 and 21. This is A minus C. Then third is A minus B. So set A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and minus set D which is 5, 10, 15 and 20. So those elements of A which is not in D. So that is 3, then 6, 9, 12, then 18 and then 21. Then B minus A. So set B is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Minus A. Set A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So those elements of B which is not in A. 4, 8, 12 is available, 16 and then 20. Now next C minus A. So the element of set C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So those elements of C which is not in A. So it is 2, then 4, then 8, then 10, then 14 and then 16. Correct? Then part 6, B minus A. B minus A. So the set elements of set D 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20 minus A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So those elements of D which is not in A. So 5, 10, 15 is available and then 20. 5, 10 and 20. Then part 7. This is B minus C. So elements of set B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus elements of set C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So those elements of B which is not in C. So 4 is available, 8 is available, 12 is available, 16 is available. So only the result is 20. Then 8. 8. What is question part 8? What have to find?
B minus D.
B minus D. So B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus D 5, 10, 15 and 20. So those elements of B which is not in D. So 4 is not available, 8, 12 and 16. Then 9.
D minus C.
D minus C.
C minus B.
Part 8.
C minus B.
This is 9. C minus D. So the elements of set C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus B 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So those elements of C which is not in B 2, 6, 10 and 14. Then
D minus D.
D minus D. So the elements of D 5, 10, 15, 20 minus elements of B 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So those elements of D which is not in B, it is 5, then 10, then 15. Then what we have to find? Part 11, C minus D. So elements of C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus D 5, 10, 15 and 20. So 2, those elements of C which is not in D 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, 12, 14 and 16. Then 12 part
D minus C.
D minus C. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and minus C 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So we have to write those elements of D which is not in C. So 5, 10 is available, then 15 and then 20. 5, 15 and 20. So this is the solution of these parts. Now we solve question number 10. Question number 10. We have given set x equals to a, b, c, d. If set x equals to a, b, c, d and another set y equals to f, b, d, g, y equals to f, b, d and g. So two sets we have given and then we have to find x minus 1. First is x in x minus 1. So write the elements of set x a, b, c, d minus elements of set y f, b, d and g. So we have to write those elements of x which is not in y. So a is not in this set, b is available, c is not in the another set and d is available. So the answer is a comma c. Then we have to find y minus x. Second part y minus x. So first write y f, b, d, g minus x a, b, c and d. So write those elements of y which is not in x. So f is not in this set x, b is available, d is available, g is not in this. So the answer is f comma g. Then x intersection y. Third part x intersection y. the value of x, a, b, c, d, intersection, the value of y, f, b, d and g. We have to select the common terms. B and D are the common terms, and intersection is the term which is common in both x and y. So B and D are common in both the sets. So x intersection y will be B comma D. Next, question number 11. If R is the set of real numbers, if R is the set of real numbers, R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational numbers, and Q is the set of rational numbers. R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational numbers. Then what is R minus Q? Then what is R minus Q? So real number is the combination of rational number and irrational number. In real number, both the numbers are included. Rational number plus irrational number is equals to real numbers. So we have to find R minus Q. R minus Q. And R is the real number, and real number means rational plus irrational. Rational plus irrational. Minus Q. Q means rational number. So we have to write those elements of R. We have to write those elements of R which is not in Q. So which element is not in Q? Irrational. So the answer is irrational. So the answer is irrational number. Irrational numbers. So what is R minus Q? R minus Q is equals to irrational numbers. Then question number 12. Question number 12. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. We have to say whether the statement is true or false. Also justify the answer. Question number 12. The first part is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5 and another set 3, 6 are disjoint sets. Are disjoint sets. So what is the definition of disjoint sets? Two sets having no element common is called disjoint set. So let us check whether any elements is common or not. 3 is common. That's why this is not a disjoint set. So this statement is false. This statement is false. And why it is false? Because the element 3 is common. The element 3 is common in both the sets. And for disjoint sets, there should not be any elements be common. Here the element 3 is common. So element 3 is common in both the sets. Therefore, they are not disjoint sets. So this statement is false. The second part is set A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And another set A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. So tell whether this statement is true or false. This is also false because in this A is common, and for disjoint sets no elements should be common. So this statement is also false. Why it is false? To justify, you will have to write that A is common in both the sets. That's why they are not disjoint sets. Next, 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14. And 2, 6, 10, 14 and another set 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint. 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. So I think this statement is true because no element is common. Since there is no any element common, so it is disjoint sets. Means the statement is true. The statement is true. Then 2, 6, 10. 2, 6, 10. 2, 6, 10. And another set 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. So this statement is also true because there is no any elements common in both the sets. This statement is true. So we have completed this exercise 1.4 and then we start next exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. First question. We have given universal set U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Universal set is given. Set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. And another set B equals to. Set B equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And set C equals to. What is C? Set C?
C equals 3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6. We have given the universal set. And what is universal set? A set containing all the sets are called universal set. So all these elements belongs to this set. That's why this is the universal set. Then we have to calculate A dash. A dash is the complement. A dash means complement of A. So A dash is written as U minus A. So we write universal set U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus set A. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write those elements of this set which is not in this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is available. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not available in another set. So the result is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the next part we have to calculate B dash. And formula for B dash is U minus B. And U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus set B. Set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. So those elements of U which is not in B. So 2, 4, 6, 8 are available. 2, 4, 6, 8 are available. So what is not available? 1 is not available. 3 is not available. 5 is not available. 7 is not available. And 9 is not available. So the result is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then we have to find A union C dash. A union C dash. So firstly we find A union C. A union C. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union C 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So combine both the sets, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This we have calculated A union C. And to find A union C dash, we use the formula universal set minus A union C. So universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and minus A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So those elements of U which is not in this set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is available. So the answer is 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9 is not available in the other set. So the correct answer is 7, 8, 9. Now part 4. Part 4. A union B dash. A union B dash. So we calculate first A union B. So A is set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. And combine both the sets, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Then for finding A union B dash, we use the formula universal set minus A union B. U minus A union B, where U is the universal set. Now put the value of universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus the value of A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. So the result we get 1, 2, 3, 4 is available. 6 and 8 is also available. So 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9 is the answer. Then we have to find A dash, the complement of A dash. Next is part 3. A dash and dash. So A dash is calculated by, firstly we calculate A dash. So A dash equals to U minus A, and U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the result is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we have to find A dash or dash. So U minus A dash. So again write U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus the value of A dash. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So A dash, the dash is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B minus C dash, sixth part. B minus C dash. So first we calculate B minus C. So B minus C, the set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Minus C is 3, 4, 5, 6. So those elements which is not in C. So 2 is not in another set, 4 is available, 6 is available and 8 is not available. Then we calculate B minus C dash and would be written U minus B minus C. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus B minus C is 2, 8. So the elements which is not in another set, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. This is the answer.